Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make roles appear on the side of your Discord server. So this will help you organize and of course make it more appealing to the eyes on your member list right here. So just go with me through this process and I will show you the steps. So first thing is go to top left right here and click on server settings. Once you're there, go to roles and go to the role that you want to show it on the side. So let's say this role, Leo, and make sure that display role members separately from online members is turned on. So just turn that on, click on save changes and check if it works. So as you can see, I have the role of Leo right here, and I'm not on the side of online right here. And if you want to like add someone role too, so I will add Leo for this bot right here. As you can see, it was moved to the Leo section so that this will help you organize your stuff and your members. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.